This green juice has done so much for my system. Let me walk you through how you can make yours, and trust me, you'll come back here to leave a comment and say thank you. I will start by cutting all my ingredients. I'm making use of celery, cucumber, parsley, and ginger. I'll also write the list of the ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. I also make use of 1 carrot, alright. As I said, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box below, alright. The reason for the carrot is just that I just want a little bit of flavor, alright. Once I'm done cutting the ingredients, I will transfer it into the blender, add some water to the blender, cover it up and go ahead and blend it. And I'm going to blend in batches. As you guys can see, I have a lot of ingredients, alright. If you have a juicer, just go ahead and make use of juicer to extract the juice, but I don't have a juicer, alright. Once I'm done blending the first batch, I transfer it into my strainer and strain out the juice and trash the chaff. Few minutes later, I'm done blending and straining the juice out of the chaff, alright. I just go ahead and mix everything together so they are well combined, and I will transfer it into my bottle. I cover the bottle up and I go ahead and store the juice in the deep freezer. Once I wake up in the morning, I pick one bottle out and allow it to defrost, and that is the first thing that goes into my system. And trust me, this has done so much for my body. I also have other green juice recipe. If you are interested, go ahead and check them out. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.